covered on our webinar the other day for Funnel Builder AI. So on this recap video, I'm going to give you the short version of what I covered, a demo of the entire Funnel Builder AI platform and the process we follow, and we're basically going to come up with a product idea and make a live funnel in just a few minutes. Then towards the end, I'm going to tell you about the offer we have, the bonuses that you get if you sign up, and how you can go ahead and sign up. So let's dive right into it. So we've jumped over into ChatGPT and we have built two custom GPTs with we'll let this one run. And again, if you think back just a moment ago, the product ideas, you could have you could make 20 of these and just test them all out, whatever, just churns them out for you very quickly. So we're going to copy this, go back to our doc, we'll go down here. Now we've got our product idea and all the features of it. Now we're going to go into Funnel Builder AI. That's where the magic happens now. So Funnel Builder AI is a collection of tools in one platform, and it's all done through my KickPages platform. So it's essentially part of KickPages when you sign up for this offer that I'm going to show you at the end. But you come in here and say, right, I want to make my sales funnel now for this new product. So we're going to click Page AI, and now this is where Funnel Builder AI comes in. All these different page types, and you pick the one that you want. So we're going to need a sales page for our offer. So we pick this one, long form sales page, and project, we're going to call it Email Growth Toolkit. We're going to say it's a sales funnel. And then we click next. Now we get to choose different styles. Now Funnel Builder AI is going to, in a moment, build the entire sales page, do all the design, all the layout, all that stuff, all in a single click. So we're going to pick one. We've got loads of different styles in here, and I'll pick this blue one, so I like it. We click next. Now this is where we enter our information. Now you could manually start entering all the stuff here, but we have our offer helper tool, which I just showed you. So I'm going to get that content and paste it in. You can just paste it in like this. The AI will work it out. It doesn't need to be beautiful to look at, but you can, if you want to make it simpler to follow yourself, you can space it out more, but I'm just going to leave it like that. Now this is the cool part. I'm going to click next in a moment once I get my stopwatch thing up here. So we click next. So a few seconds missed there. So we let this run now, and I think it's going to take 45 seconds to a minute. It varies depending on the amount of content and stuff, but this is how Funnel Builder AI in action. This is the Page AI part of the Funnel Builder AI platform, and it's going to go and write your copy, make the page, make this funnel sales page, buttons, design, everything you need is going to be done here in this single click. Pretty amazing. And you'll see now when it gets to the end, it's going to give us two links. There's going to be a link to go in and edit your page if you want to go straight into production with it, or you can view it, or you can click back and start generating more as well. So obviously this is the recap video, so we're making this a one-shot process, so we're not here all day for you. It's going to give you the key information and show you how fast this is. Because if you think about how much would be involved to make a full sales page yourself with getting a designer, a writer, all that kind of stuff, it would just take you a very, very long amount of time. So should be almost finished here now in a moment. There we are. So it took just over a minute, which is really like insanely quick. Now, when you see this, this is the first time we perfected this, it just blew me away. It was insane. So let's click view page and just let it load. Boom, here we go. So this entire sales page was built in a few seconds, in a minute. So it's written our sales copy, it's structured everything. It's written all the copy for this type of offer. It's got everything that's included and so on. A beautiful page. Now imagine how long it would take to build this yourself. That's just one page. So what I'm going to do now is just go back and create another one just to quickly show you how powerful this is. And we'll just pick New Blue for this one. And just go and click next again, and the same process runs. So while that's running, I'm going to go into that page that we just made and show you the other AI aspects of this platform. So just gone in another window, just gone into the editor while this one's running. And this is where you can start doing extra stuff. So let's say you want to change this headline, so you can just click on this and you will see this button here. Click that and it puts the headline over on here and say, let's say write a new version of this. I'm going to put quotes around it. So the AI is going to do that. So there's a new version, say okay, we'll use that. And there it is, and you just have to go in and like bold or underline, whatever you want. Very, very quick, very easy to do. If we click back here, the other one is almost, it's not complete yet, it's almost complete. That's the AI assistant. Now we'll show you the AI image tool. Let's say you want to change the image that's in use here, so we can use image AI for that. We'll just click in here, click little AI, and I'm going to say dark blue, blurry gradient web background, and we're going to choose 16:9 aspect ratio, so that's good for header image, and we leave the style as default, and we just say generate. So think about all the different aspects of page creation that you can now do in one single platform. That's what we've sought to achieve with Funnel Builder AI, and we have done it. So let's come back now. It's generated an image for us here. And I'll just check over here while this is also complete. So we've got a complete other version of the page, just in a few clicks. Very, very slick one. So this is all just done in that one single click. Did the entire process for you. So let's go back in here. We've got this image, so we want to use this one. We can just click here, and it will replace the image in the page. So that is how simple and easy it is. So we've done our sales page, and I think I prefer this one, so we'll use this sales page to continue to the next part. So we'll just jump into the project here, and we're going to publish this one to a URL, and I'll explain why in a second. So if you think about a basic funnel for this product, you're going to need a sales page, a checkout page, and a thank you page. So we're going to publish the sales page here just temporarily, and we can see that's live page now. So we grab our URL, and we're going to go back into our page AI now. And this time we're going to make our checkout page. So we pick checkout page, and we choose our project again. And this time we're going to go for blue style. Click next. So what you would normally need to do for your checkout page is start writing all the things again about the headline, what to get, and so on. Instead, we're just going to paste in the URL, and now Page AI is going to go to your sales page, extract all the information from your sales page, and automatically create a checkout page for you from that, which is, pretty crazy when you think about it. I'll click next. It's going to do this now. It'll be quite quick because a checkout page is a lot shorter and smaller than a long form sales page. So we'll just let this continue running here. There it is, done. So we'll view the page. Boom, there it is, automatically made a full checkout page for you. You could expand it. This is the preview page, so it doesn't show the actual credit card fields, but that would be there when you publish. So we'll use this. And now we're going to go back into our page AI. We can sure to use the same URL. Now the next type of page we need to make is the thank you page. Thank you page being where someone would get their download after they make their purchase, and it can automatically do that as well. Again, we'll pick blue. And we'll paste the URL in. Click next. This will be a very small page because there's only usually a headline and maybe a download area. So there you go, very, very quick. So now we've built all our pages, we're going to connect these now and make them live in the Kick Pages platform to bring it all together for you. So now I've gone over to the funnel project inside this Kick Pages account. Now to get it ready to go live, you have to make a listing for your product. So I'm going to do all this very, very quickly to show you how easy it is. So it's called Email Growth Toolkit. We'd say it's going to be $20, and for access URL we'll just put Google at the moment, just as a placeholder, because we're not making a live product. And then we click save. So that's our product now for sale in the funnel. Next thing is we need to accept payment. So I've connected Stripe to this account, so we're going to select Stripe, and it's a test Stripe account. So now we've got a product to sell, we've got a payment. we've got our pages. Now we just need to connect them up. So to do that, we've got a drag and drop visual funnel builder. So we just do this and we can organize our pages so it's clear. If you had a really complex funnel with lots of upsells and downsells, you could see how powerful this would be. But we've got a very simple one. So you want the product for sale, the checkout button connects to this checkout page. Checkout page, after someone makes a payment, you want them to go to the thank you page, so you just do that. Click save. Everything's correct. Now we're just going to make this funnel live. So we've gone from a completely blank screen, no idea of a product or anything, to a funnel about to go live within a few minutes. So we click publish and we pick our subdomain here. Just going to give it a name, publish. It usually takes 30 seconds or something to publish because there's more than one page. But as the page is published, you'll see a little green dot will appear here, and you'll also get notifications up on the top, which you can see here. Checkout one just published. And there we can see it's completed now, and you get these extra buttons here. So we just click on view funnel, and here it is. So our sales page, obviously you would go in and add, you'd use the image AI to add images to these things. I'm not going to do it on the video, or you could add your own images if you have them, or you could use another tool that I'm about to show you. So we click here, and you can see it's got the proper checkout now with the credit card fields and all that stuff. So I'm just going to enter any random info here. I set it up using test Stripe, so we just type in test card information, which Stripe gives you. So we place an order now. This is all completely connected, and there it is. There's the access link now. Obviously it's linked to just the temporary one, the Google one. And all this has been done completely without me doing any real work. This is all by AI and then a little bit of setup. And if we go in here now, we'll see, we've got all our details for our stats and stuff. So the stats don't count the sale because it was a test sale, but you can see your test transactions here, and that's how you verify everything is working correctly. So imagine how much work, effort and time it's going to take to do that manually. I did the entire thing in a couple of minutes, and that was me going slowly because I was talking to you and showing you exactly what I was doing at different steps. So surely anyone watching this now can realize how big a breakthrough this is, how big a game changer it is, and how that nobody really could fail at making a successful funnel. And I've only just scraped the surface. So the entire deal we have today is part of Funnel Builder AI, as a host of other tools as well, which I will very quickly try to show you here and keep the video at the recap length. So if you're in your account and you click on tools, this is where you will see all your other AI tools. So look at all this stuff here. The two ones here, Product Machine and Offer Helper, those are the GPTs from the start. Foundry app, I'm going to quickly, that's another version of a builder where you could say, right, I want to make a page layout. This is if you didn't want to use AI, you just come in and start manually making it. So you're going to be clicking boxes basically on the side to construct a really amazing looking sales page. And I'll just start putting content in here. You can use this to set the order and stuff, and it's one of my favorite things we've ever built, to be honest. I use this all the time. So let's say you've built that page now, and we can do a zoomed out view to see how cool it looks. So we click build page. Ignore that white gap, that's only because that's an overlay bar, it's just the way it shows it. So there we go, from nothing to this complete page. And you can see it's a similar style to that one that I like for Page AI. So that's Foundry. So let's go back out, we'll abandon that. We'll just go back to the tools. Next up was Image AI. This is one you can access directly inside the editor or here. So just make a random one here. This is where you can make images and you can do variations. You can pick all different sizes. You can upscale them, delete them if you don't want to use them. You can put in a negative prompt. So you could say here, I want a mountain scene without a lake, for example. All that kind of stuff. Or you can upload a reference image for it to use. You can see there it's made this cool looking image. Again, you could choose loads of different styles here to get different types. So I could do a full webinar on just this tool, but that's one of the things as part of Funnel Builder AI. Copy Toolkit is a tool for writing or analyzing copy. So let's say, right, this is for writing the copy. You put in information, it will write it for you. Analyzer is a cool tool because you could enter a URL of any website, it will analyze that. So let's say you saw a sales page for someone doing a campaign on Facebook or something. So I'm going to put in my own page, and you want to analyze what they're doing. You can just use this tool. So it's going to go, it extracts all the content, and it's going to come back with a full framework, notes, all that kind of stuff. So usually takes like 30 seconds to a minute. Then that comes back and it gives you the framework and also cites the exact copy from the page to back up that, and then you could follow that particular framework. So it's great for your education and also working out how to model other successful offers. So we do that. Then we've got the Designer app. This one is pretty sweet. Now, I mentioned in the pages that you make, you're going to be doing things like creating your final images and stuff. You can do it with AI, but we've also developed this here, which is almost like a Canva clone. This complete image tool that you get as part of this Funnel Builder AI platform inside ClickPages in the tools panel. And we're adding to this all the time, but we've got loads of different options here at the moment. This one's cool gradient background, so you just go boom, add it in. It's all kind of self-explanatory. If you've used any of these kind of modern browser-based design tools, you're going to be familiar with how they all work. It's got everything you need. Again, this could be a complete product launch all of its own, but you're getting this included. So you do that and click here to download it, then use it on your page, or you can export it as a file to use later, whatever you need. And this is all accessible directly inside the tools panel here. We've got Email AI, which is for writing all kinds of marketing emails for various marketing campaigns. And again, this could be a full webinar, but we're going to go in and create our emails for the funnel we just made. So let's go and grab the sales page URL. And this is a really cool feature. So we go back in, and let's say you want to make your launch emails first. You just put in the sales page URL. It's going to extract everything automatically. And let's pick the latest one. Let's say, just type launch. So we'll say we're doing a 7-day launch. Pick that. So we want a persuasive tone, short emails. We can give special instructions. Click this. It's now going to go and automatically write all of these emails based on just your URL. So I'm going to pause the video for this bit while it writes all of these. So I've just unpaused, and it's automatically written all of these emails for a full launch sequence, from everything from early bird right down to your last chance. And it's done it all based on me just entering a URL. So pretty amazing. And you can even go in and have it rewrite it or regenerate the thing completely. So let's say we rewrite. Use, let's say, a similar copy, but add a few emojis, which is a kind of a modern thing you see in emails, people using emojis. So we'll do that. And again, I'll pause it until this completes. There, it's done now. Got a few emojis in there, so you can pick to use this one and just save it all, and it'll be saved as a campaign in your account, ready to rock. You can even go in later and rewrite them. You can directly edit them here in the editor and save them from here. You can download them, pretty much everything that you'd ever need. So that's the email one. Bots AI is a full chatbot tool. So we click Access Tool, and this one again could be a full webinar. So what this does is let us build automated AI chatbots on any topic. So they can be a general topic, or it can be based off your website content, a course that you might have, all kinds of things. So let's say you had a course that had 20 videos. You could enter the videos into this app as a data bank. The AI will then train up on that data, and you could have a chatbot called My Course Assistant, and then people could chat at, ask questions, and so on. Or what you could do is put it as a sales agent and add all your sales page information or your sales documents and let it do that as well. So again, I'm just going to do a very quick demo because I'm trying to keep this as a recap video. So I'll quickly create a bot. I'm going to call it marketing bot. I'll leave that as it is. First topic, you must only answer about topics related to marketing. And we'll change the system prompt to helpful assistant who is an expert digital marketer. Again, you could tweak everything. We'll add a predefined question. These are ones people can just click as a button. So we'll say, what marketing can you help me with, and recommend Sage Page Framework. So we save this one, and then you can embed this anywhere. We're just going to look at the demo. So it appears as a little bot here. You can change the colors and all that kind of stuff. So we'll just use the pre-defined quick questions. So I'm asking it to recommend Sage Page Framework. So while that's running, you can imagine now if you did this for yourself or a client, where all the questions here were basically sales questions, like do you have a split payment option? Is there a guarantee? Can I have a sales call with someone? All that kind of stuff. You can automate so many different things with this. And this is just one tool that's part of the platform, and it tells us here, look, it's recommending Sales Page Framework. So just a quick example of that. You'll see in the full webinar replay if you want a more in-depth demo. So that's that bots AI tool. Next up, we've got Content AI, which is, as the name suggests, it's for content generation, but it's more than just, it's not sales pages, it's things like marketing bullets, hooks, Facebook ads, blog posts, all the way down to ebook stuff. And again, there's loads of things being added in there. I'm not going to demo this part because it's AI content generation. You get the idea. Next up is Imagine AI. Now this is another AI image generation tool, which is outside of the editor. So you can just come in here and click create image. And just type in whatever you want. Again, you get all these different styles here. So this time we'll pick science fiction, see what comes up. Leave the size as default. So again, this is another source of images that you can use for any marketing project, for ads, in your pages, with clients, whatever way you want. It's all included in Funnel Builder AI. There, it's just gone generated one now. It's a pretty cool image, so you could just go and like regenerate it, download it, whatever you want. Next up is Copy AI, which is a whole other copy platform. So we click Access Tool. And let's say you want to just write sales copy and not make a page. So you're doing create copy. I'm going to pick one of these frameworks. So a huge amount of different frameworks. You can enter all the information in here, or you can pre-save the offer. So I'm just going to pause the video while I type all this in, just to make it quicker. So we've got all the information in here now. We just click generate content. Let the AI do its thing. Again, I'll pause while it's generating here. It'll take like a minute or less. Then that completes, and you can see now it's written full sales copy based off me just entering that URL. And it's written it in a style of, who do we pick? John Benson, I think. Yeah, John Benson. You can do the same thing for all these different versions. It's a great way to set up copy for things like split testing. So that is a full demo of all the tools in the Funnel Builder AI offer, and it's all delivered within our Kick Pages platform. Really a lot of groundbreaking stuff here, and I know I went through it quickly, but this is just the recap video. So now what I'm going to do is give you a full overview of how you can get this, and if this wasn't good enough as it is, all of the amazing bonuses that we have. So first up here is a quick recap of everything that you get as part of the core Funnel Builder AI platform. So first thing is the Page AI, which is the whole thing where we showed where it automatically built your sales pages, your funnels for you. Just an aside on that, you can use it to build any type of page. It could be for a webinar sign up, a client website, anything at all. It's not just for sales funnels. I'm just using that as a vehicle to demonstrate it to you. You get a KickPages Pro account, which is essentially unlimited everything. Now, by way of comparison, a similar account on ClickFunnels is, I think, $397 or $297 per month, and there's limits. Same for Go High Level and others. Essentially, they've got limited domains that you can add, and they cost more. So, just for comparison, you get Email AI, enter a URL, and it will click generate, and it will automatically create all your emails. Content AI. Image AI, it's a typo. Image AI, which is the image generation. Copy AI, which is for all different types of sales copy in a few clicks. Bots AI, which is our chatbot platform. It can be everything from general chatbots to training assistants inside courses, whatever you want. You get the KickPages Designer app, which is like our kind of a Canva style app. The Copy Toolkit, which is great for analyzing sales copy and working out how to model things. You get the Product Machine GPT, you get the Offer Helper GPT. You get it all accessible inside our tools directory from one single click inside your KickPages account. You get reseller rights for any sales funnel or content that you create. So what that means is you could create everything you need for a client inside this platform, and then you could sell it to the client. So even one single client will more than cover the cost it is to sign up for Funnel Builder AI. And just by way of comparison here, this is someone charging €2,600, which is it's about $3,500 for a single funnel, and that person will be converting your copy into a funnel. So you still have to get the copy written, and you can see the type of prices people are charging here, over $100 per hour, and so on. I mentioned other platforms. Here's the ClickFunnels one. It would be just under $2,500 a year, and that's without any of the AI stuff I just showed you, and a limit of only 9 domains, so quite restrictive. Now I just want to very quickly show you the amazing bonuses that you will get as part of the Funnel Builder AI deal we have for you today. First thing is done for you bot creation. Now I showed you a very quick demo of our chatbot tool, but what we will do is we'll build a complete custom bot for you in your account. That means we'll customize the style, the design, the persona, the topic you wanted to talk about, predefined questions. We can train it up on your own content. So that could be videos, it could be your sales page, it could be a course, whatever you want. We will do that for you. That's the first bonus. Second one is KickPages Concierge. That's where we will move your existing content. So if you've got a funnel or a sales page somewhere else on a different platform, we'll get it moved for you into your KickPages account, which involves rebuilding it completely so it's super fast and uses all of our KickPages tools. Next one is KickPages Launchpad. This is where we will build a funnel for you completely as part of a bonus, completely free for your product, for your launch, for whatever you need. And you can be clever with this too. I don't mind. You could find a new client and say, look, we'll build you a funnel for $3,000, and then you can get us to make it for you, and you can sell it to them because you've got resale rights on that funnel. So pretty solid bonus there, and you can make this bonus pay for the entire thing for you, no problem. Next one is KickPages Reality, which is 10 sales funnels from prior launches that we had that are responsible for 7 figures in revenue. Then you get 2 white label apps from all of our back catalog listed here. So we've a range of white label software apps, which is an app that you can install as your own, set up as your own under your own brand, and sell yourself. So you get 2 of those, and they usually sell from between $197 and $297 each. Then last but not least, KickPages Academy, which is a complete training video and series about a funnel build walkthrough. So how you can do everything that I just did in this recap video, but much more detailed and step by step, so you cannot be stuck with anything. So to get your hands on all of this now, you can click the button below or go to kickpages.com/getai, and you will see all of our options there for signing up. But this is just a complete no-brainer of an offer. It's got a full 30-day guarantee as well, so there's no risk on signing up, trying it out, and putting this into action, because the only way you can really see how powerful this is by using it yourself. And all our users in there so far are just blown away. It's completely transformative for them and for their business and for their clients. So the offer is available for another while, so please do go to the page, check out the options, and sign up now while it's still available. If you have any questions, you can contact us at support@kickpages.com, or you can use the little widget on the bottom right hand side. You'll see on this page. But that's a recap. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you love the platform, and I look forward to welcoming you into Funnel Builder AI.